In this video, I will be disassembling this 2019 Infiniti QX50 LED headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. I will begin by removing the T20 screws holding on the front bezel. There's a single wire harness connector clip here that I need to disconnect. The bezel with light bar is now free. There are 3 mounts holding on the inner high beam. I will use a T40 Torx driver to loosen these 3 mounts. With those 3 mounts loosened, there is one more clip here on the rear of the high beam reflector. I need to try to slide it off of the mounting point. Once the high beam reflector is off of that mount, it will slide out. There is one wire harness connector and one clip holding it in place. With the wire harness disconnected, the high beam reflector will be free from the light. Next, I will loosen the T40 Torx screw on the bottom inside corner of the projector. Next, I will remove the T20 screws holding on this outside corner projector mount. Now I can simply pop the projector out of place. There's a wire harness connector on top of the projector. The projector is now free from the light. Next, I'm going to remove the T20 screws holding in the lower high beam mount. From the rear of the light, I can simply push the wire harness connector in. Now I can simply pull the wire harness connector out of the light. The headlight housing is now empty. There are 3 T20 Torx screws holding on the high beam reflector. There are 4 T20 Torx screws holding the projector to the bracket. Next, I'm going to remove the 2 T20 Torx screws from the bottom of the projector. Next, I'm going to remove 4 T10 Torx screws from the rear of the projector. Now I can simply grab the LED drive unit and pull it out. There are 3 clips holding on the shroud to the front of the projector. With the shroud removed, we now have access to the 4 T10 Torx screws holding in the cutoff shield. The headlight is now fully disassembled. Here is the high beam reflector. Here's the high beam LEDs. Here's the control unit from the corner of the light. Here's the projector lens. Here's the low beam LED drive unit. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.